Hello, everybody. Thank you for staying stoic here. So we are a digital renewable energy SaaS solution, making it super simple for everyone, everywhere, to buy renewable energy and prove it. That's an important part. So let me tell you a story. How there you go. How this came about. We were the co-founders, we work in sustainability, design, technology, Web3, and we were jamming, hey, what is the biggest problem that we can tackle together? Well, energy is. Energy is the biggest problem in the climate crisis. 73% of emissions are still produced by energy production or consumption, and 80% of that is still produced with fossil fuels. So that's a large problem. I said, okay, let's do that. But then there's sub-problems, right? Like climate action is hard. Sometimes you start to think, yeah, I will start to put some solar panels. Oh man, I don't have a roof. We don't have enough money to do it. So everyone wished that there was an easier way to do climate action, and that's where we come in. We make it super simple for anyone, business as an individual, anywhere in the world, to be able to buy renewable energy and prove it. Let me tell you a story of one of our main customers, Filecoin. This is a kind of company that you all here can relate to because it's a distributed storage network. It's kind of an Amazon S3 bucket, if you want, but distributed. It incentivizes individuals to put our hard disk to play at the network. And they have servers around the world. They wanted to decarbonize and be green, provably green, since they launched the network in 2020. So they went on to measure their electricity. Today there are tools. We can help you eventually with this. And the next thing is, to prove energy green, you have to use renewable energy certificates. This is the tool that Fortune 500, the sustainability departments, use to prove your energy green, right? It's PDFs in databases, and what they do is they certify that a certain amount of green electrons come into a grid. The grid is a soup of electrons where green and gray electrons mix up. If you don't hold a certificate on the other end, there's no way to know that you actually got the green electricity coming from a solar plant, even if it's on your roof, right? So what we did is digitize this process. We take these renewable energy PDFs, we turn them into, we digitize them on a blockchain that gives certain properties, right? But then we wrap it into a programmable decarbonization API. This is what actually will make the transition happen faster. The fact that you all can embed renewable energy in your applications and make climate action automatically. Nobody has to think or take out their electricity bills. It's just there, it happens, right? And because we care about transparency, we also built beautiful green proofs to make you prove that the energy is real there. And so green proofs have two sides. I would have given you a demo, they are live, but I have only static slides here. They have two sides. One is the impact view. It's kind of the more marketing oriented, where you can automatically, whenever you buy renewable energy, doing any activity, you get this green proof that tells your impact. And on the other side of the proof is the verify side, to say, hey, give me the data, stop the marketing speech, make me see that it's actually true. And here you can download also the original renewable energy certificates. That's the tool that companies use to report. So you can use our automated proofs for reporting as well, for ESG reporting. And you can, if you want, take a screenshot of this. There's a proof, some of these proofs live for Filecoin. You can look at it. And because it's programmable, the interesting thing, beyond the transparency, what you can build on top of programmable decarbonization is the fact that you can create new green first product and services. For example, Filecoin created a green score or a green reputation score for their server providers, right? And they measure the difference between the energy consumed and the green energy bought by the buyers, and they assign a score. It's a new way in which you are creating climate action. We serve many different industries. Every day we are finding a new need. So if you are, hey, interested in sustainability, come talk to us. We have the booth right here. and we can uncover it. I talked to you about the cloud services, but for example, we can decarbonize any amount of energy. If you take a scooter ride, you can find it already decarbonized, provably. If you swipe a credit card, or if you have cashbacks, if you are in fintech, for example, if you are in real estate, property management, we have a lot of use cases in many of these industries that you're seeing. And of course, SaaS and digital applications. You can decarbonize your own operation, be proven green yourself, or the use that your customers do of your application and services. We've already decarbonized 2 terawatt-hours of energy for our clients. If you convert that in the amount of emissions captured by a forest, it would be a forest as bigger than New York. That's this big, more or less. So we like to say less is more, but 0 is better. Come and talk to us here. Every company here will need to be a net zero company. So come and find how we can help you, make it super easy and simple and fast. Thank you.